Hi guys, today we are in the leafy suburbs of Runda. Beside me is a 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom, 9,440 square feet of livable space. That will give you 877 meters. The rent of this house is $4,000 or 400,000 Kenya shillings. Before we start the tour, I would like to give credit to the listing agent, Miss Bentanora Mwakeo, at the listing company, Interstate Trade Company. The tour of this house starts from the garage of this house. This is a 5 to 6 car garage. In addition, you have your DSQ over there, an outdoor parking, a security room, and a gas center. The main entrance of this house is over here. On the left side of this door, we have the common toilet. Adjacent to it, we have the control room. This room can also be used as the study. Next to it, we have the guest bedroom. This guest bedroom is wide enough for your guests. Next to it, we have this hallway that leads us to the formal living room. And as you can see, it's a very wide living room. You also get a very good view of the swimming pool from this room. This is the space that is set for your dining room, and as you can see over here, you can fit an 8 or a 10-seater. Over here you have an access to your kitchen from the dining room, so if someone is cooking in the kitchen, they will easily give out the food to the dining table. This is the entrance to the kitchen, and as you can see, it's really big. From here you have your stove that's already inbuilt to this cabinet. You have your numerous number of downward cabinets. You have your, over here you have your inbuilt oven and your inbuilt microwave over here. On top you have an extra space for your storage. Over here you have a small size but well partitioned pantry for your storage. The best thing about this kitchen is that you have USB chargers on this socket. So if you are doing your chores in the kitchen and you want to charge your phone, you can use these USB ports to make sure that you are fully charged. This door leads to the laundry room. Just follow me. The laundry is quite big, and the best thing about it is that you have this big opening for your lighting and for your sunlight if you want your clothes to dry. Over here you have a double sink for your chores. You have an other storage for other things that you would like to do. Over here you have an extra space that can be used as a bathroom. This is the heater room. Over here you have the heater that supplies the whole house with water, and then you also have an extra space for your storage. From the formal living room, we'll head to the upper rooms. This stairs is quite wide, and it's good for you and your family, or when you want to carry things upstairs, it will be easy for you. One thing that is unique with this building is that this formal living room have large windows. These windows are about 15 to 20 feet. The distance between the floor and the seating is around 25 feet. So you know the kind of space you have over here just for your lighting. Just directly from the stairs you have another living room. This room can be used for your family meetings or for your family gatherings, and the best thing about it is that you have an access to a very beautiful view over here. Just from this living room, you have another access to an extra bathroom over here. Let's head to the other rooms. This is one of the rooms. As you can see, it's a good size. And the best thing about it is that you don't have to keep your lights on because you have these two windows that brings a lot of light from outside. Over here, you have an access to your toilet. You have your sink over here that is of a good size and it's really beautiful. You have your closet over here, and then you have your shower cubicle over here. The best thing about this shower cubicle is that you have a rain head over there, so if you are having a good bath, it will feel nice. To the other room. This room is just similar to the other one that we visited. It also contains this floor-to-ceiling closets for your storage. This is the look of the room. You have your sink over here with an extra mirror. You have a bar that you can hang up your towels when you are doing your bathing, and then on this closet you have an extra sprinkler that is in all other rooms, and we all know its purpose. Over here we have a shower cubicle with a rain shower. Let's head to the other room. This is bedroom number 4. I like this room already. You have the normal ceiling to floor closet. You have 2 windows over here for your light. You have your sockets over there. And the best thing about these sockets over here is that they are USB connected. And you have your loo over here. It's just like the other rooms. Let's head to the master. Wow, come in. It's such a big room. If you can start over there and I'll start over here, you can imagine how big this room is. This room is decorated with a very beautiful gypsum over here with 3 lights that looks directly to the center of the room. Here you have an access to the security system. From here, you can make any call or control the lights of the other rooms from this unit. On my right hand side, you have your walk-in closet, and as you can see, it's a really big one. Just start over there and I'll walk in the walk-in closet. That's all your walk-in closet. It's really big. Over here, you have closed spaces for the things that you want to keep hidden. Then you have an open section here that can be used for your shoes. This master bedroom have an access to its own balcony, and let's see what we have. Wow, and the corridor is quite big. These are the views that you get from the balcony of the master bedroom. Just have a look. You have access to all Kiambu greenery. On the far front, you have an access to your swimming pool. And it's quite big for such a building. I believe you have fallen in love, like I have, with this house. If you want this house, or if you like more details about this house, I will leave the numbers of the letting agent in the description below. That's all for today. If you like it, share. If you love it, share and subscribe.